Developer's Diary. In the last two tutorials, we were exploring the features of interactive report. This is the part 3 related to interactive report. In this tutorial, we shall explore the drill down concept in interactive report. So for the drill down functionality, we have two interactive report. First one will be a summary report, and the second one will be a detailed report that will show the filter data based on the selected value in the summary report. So let's log into your Apex workspace, click App Builder, and choose the application that we have developed in the previous tutorial. Now click Create Page and select Interactive Report. Enter the name of report, department wise employees. Choose your table and click Create Page. Now select your interactive report, change the type of source for SQL query, write a summary report, validate your query, and click OK. Save your report and run your application. So now you can see the department name and employee count. We have created an interactive report in our previous tutorial. So we want to filter the data in this detailed report based on this newly created summary report. Expand your columns, enter the department, and select the type as link. Click Save. So here we have the name of column is depth. Select your department name and choose the type as link and select the target page. So this is our target page. Now select the value that we want to pass from this page to detailed summary interactive report. detail report. So this is the summary column. Now, if we want to pass value from this summary column to detail interactive report, so we use IR alias and then the name of the column. The name of the column we can get by navigating to the interactive report, expand the column, and here you can see the name of the column. Simply copy that name, navigate back to the summary report, expand your columns, click the department name, and click and write your department name here. Debt ID is the detailed interactive report column. So click OK, save, and run the page. So click any of the department like IT. So you can see the filter data of IT department. Let's go back and select sales department. So you can see the sales department data. But you can see there are two filters, department ID and department sales. One is active and one is inactive. We want only the active filter. Let's go back to your summary report, select your column and click clear region. Click OK. It will clear your region before redirecting to another page. So click finance. Finance data is showing. Go back and filter IT. So only active filter is showing. So that's all for today. I hope you like the video. Kindly subscribe. Thank you.